Hey guys, ever heard of Mocha cookies? We're giving them a shot today, as an espresso shot. And chocolate. Easy. There's not very many ingredients. And guys, if you don't have espresso, you can use just regular coffee. Make you some hot coffee there and pour that in there. So first off, we have 5.5 tablespoons, a third cup of softened butter. Or you can use 6 tablespoons. That's probably what I'll change it to. 6 tablespoons. How's that?
That sounds better.
And 1 cup of sugar. I have white sugar and brown sugar. So 1/2 cup of each is what I'm using. If you don't have one or the other, just use what you got. I just mixed it. And then we're going to mix it. Boom. Get this all nice and creamy here. So we're going with 6 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of sugar. I just use 1/2 and 1/2 of the sugar. Get this all mixed up real good. Pause that a minute here. All right, we got the butter and the sugar all mixed up. Now we're going to put in 2 eggs. A 1 and a 2 and a teaspoon of vanilla or so.
Measure with your heart.
I got a big heart.
I know, that's why you should put more in.
Woo, we'll mix this all up with the butter and the sugar. All right. Not much at all in this, guys. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now the magic. A 1/4 cup of espresso powder. Ooh.
That's going to make it good.
I can smell that. All right, so we're going to put all of that in there. I know what I didn't get. We said nuts, and I didn't get them. We'll have to get them out. So now we've got the coffee part in it, and we're going to stir in chocolate chips. So we're going to have our mocha cookies. Or coffee cookies, whatever you want to call them.
I just want to call them good.
Never made them before, so. And it's so simple. There's hardly any ingredients, guys. Okay. So we're going to pour in a bag or less, however many chips you want. It does not matter. Of chocolate chips. I'm using Hershey's. Okay. Let's pause and I'll get the nuts out. All right, guys. I chopped up some pecans. So we're going to put some in there. And you don't have to. You put however much you want. And that's probably about 1/2 cup I put in there. Okay.
Or you don't have to put any if you don't like nuts.
You do not have to put any.
I couldn't imagine anybody not liking them, but hey.
Some people are allergic, so.
That's true.
That would be terrible to be allergic to the nuts.
Yes, it would, because I love them.
Anybody out there allergic to nuts and to find out the hard way, ugh. That's a 1 allergy that would be hard for anybody to eat out at a, at getting cookies, donut shop, anywhere, because you could get that peanut dust out of anything.
But don't like they have nut flour too? And
yeah. Almond.
They make stuff with?
Yeah. Almond flour. Yeah. You can't do anything.
Almond. I didn't think about that. I'm slow. It's late, so.
And this makes our 4th video today. Actually, we've been doing them all day. Since what time we start? Well, we ate, and then it was about 11:30 is when we started a live.
Yeah.
But I started getting stuff ready before that. And it's now going on 7.
Yeah. We did the live first, and then after that, we haven't stopped.
So, here we go. This is all mixed up. Billy tasted the dough, and he said,
it's so good.
That could be my new favorite, he said.
There's something about that espresso powder just, oh, wow.
All right.
I mean, if you love coffee, you're going to love these.
Well, I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, chill it down, and we'll be back. All right. We have chilled this dough for 30 minutes.
It's been chilling.
And now we're going to put it in there. I'm using my big table scoop. Well, actually, I chilled it for 25, so my alarm might go off. I don't know. But it's cool. Ooh, look at them big cookies.
Them are going to be some big cookies.
Yeah. I'm just going to make 6 on here. We got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. All right. You can tell it's chilled because I don't have time trying to pull it out of there. And a glass bowl too, so that makes it colder.
Now,
all right.
Do you smash them down or you just leave them like that?
We just leave them like that. That one don't look as big as the rest.
I don't know.
All right. 350 degree oven, 12 minutes or so. We'll let you know. All right, guys, here we go. Here's our first batch. They didn't spread out very much, but they fluffed up. They look good. They smell good. Now, I am not a big coffee drinker. I do drink one a day, but I put coconut oil and butter in it. I have a bulletproof coffee. So, I'm a little nervous. But anybody who loves coffee, I'm sure is going to love these.
Oh, I know I will.
Got the chocolate chips and the pecans in it. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. That looks so good.
All right, we're going to try it. It's still warm. I was worried about not liking it. It's not overpowering.
But do you like it?
Mm-hmm. I do like it, actually. I think I like it better than a regular chocolate chip cookie. Because I'm not big on chocolate chip cookies. But I think I like it. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm not going to say it's my favorite. Because, it is chocolate.
We know what your favorite is.
The butterscotch pecan.
Oh, that was good.
And white chocolate macadamia nut.
Which you just pulled out some macadamia nuts a while ago. Mm-hmm. So you're fixing to make some of them, ain't you?
I'm going to put cherries in it.
What?
White chocolate. Macadamia with dried cherries. Sweet dried cherries. We got it real king. So yes, I am. All right, guys. I like it. Like I said, I'm not a big chocolate fan, but I like them better than chocolate chip cookies. So that's a plus. And chocolate chip cookies is all-time classic for everybody.
And my favorite.
And his, when it comes right out of the oven.
Yeah.
So guys, I think this is going to make, so I got another 6 in the oven, 1 dozen, maybe 18 of the big cookies like I'm making them. And you could also decorate those up, you know, with some chocolate syrup, or not syrup, but chocolate drizzle on them and something on top of them. We'll think about that. All right, guys. So share us out and like, comment, subscribe, help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. And I got chocolate chips on my fingers, but peace out, guys. Have a great day.